Hello and welcome to our course. My name is Saad Al-Mar'i and we will have the course of Project Cost Management. In this course, we will talk about different topics like how we can estimate costs, how we can determine budget, and how we can control costs and use the end value tools and techniques. And we will also take an example or a dummy project that we will work on. But first, I will go in a brief introduction about me. My name is Saad Al-Mar'i. I am a civil engineer and I am currently working as a cost control engineer in a metro project in Sweden, in Gothenburg. I hold a master's in construction project management from Chalmers University of Technology in Sweden. I graduated in 2010 and got my certificate in PMB in 2015, which is Project Management Professional from United States. This is my LinkedIn profile link if you would like to connect to me or ask any questions.